if you want to know how the story ends, we actually were able to get that owner an 8.5 times multiple off the $1.2 million number. So almost $9 million, right? Huge life-changing chunk of change for this owner. Really, really amazing outcome. But he had a buyer, really respected buyer, that told him something that was totally false. Now, I'm not calling private equity buyers liars, but they definitely did try to mislead him. We were kind of joking. They tried to steal the business from under him. And this is what there's 150 HVAC aggregators. They're all trying to get off market deals. They want to exclude advisors from the process. They want to talk to the owner directly and they want to pay below market. We exist to get them to pay at or above market.